So with us having just entered the new year and the world of digital marketing constantly changing, it begs the question, what can we expect from Google Ads in 2025? Now, if you've already been working in the industry for a long time like myself, you've probably already seen numerous changes that have completely changed the landscape. So this probably won't come as a surprise to you that Google are most likely going to be rolling out some changes this year. However, if you are brand new to Google Ads or you're just getting started, this is actually a great opportunity to dive in at the deep end and really immerse yourself in the world of Google Ads with a lot of very big changes that we can anticipate and that we're predicting to see going into 2025. From AI-driven optimizations to the expansion of privacy laws, there is a lot that we can expect to see this year. And in this video, I'm going to be covering my top predictions for Google Ads in 2025. So if all of that sounds interesting, then this video is for you. Now, the first prediction I have for 2025 is the further integration of AI into Google Ads. Now, AI is already playing a pivotal role in the way we run our campaigns on a day-to-day basis and has completely reshaped the way that we strategize, manage, and even deal with clients. This is especially the case when it comes to campaign types like Performance Max, which use machine learning to specifically optimize across multiple Google properties like search, YouTube, shopping, and display. But going into 2025, I'm expecting to see this trend of AI expansion absolutely explode. Now, specifically, the type of AI I'm referring to is something called generative AI, which is AI that has the ability to generate new text, images, and videos. I can see this playing a huge part in the way campaigns are going to be run moving forward. The reason I say this is that generative AI allows media buyers and agencies like myself to create new content for our clients, regardless of their industry, in seconds. We can generate new image assets, new video assets, even new ad copy assets, pretty much instantaneously to apply to campaigns and split test. Whereas before, this process could easily take weeks, if not months. So as a business owner or someone working within the Google Ads space, how can you prepare for this oncoming expansion of AI integration? Well, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are providing Google with well-organized, high-quality, accurate data. This is going to allow Google to gain those valuable insights that can be applied to your campaigns to actually get you results. Now, another way that me and my team are actually preparing for this is that we have undergone a lot of AI training, specifically generative AI training. This is a really deep topic and it's something I might make another video on. But if you wanted to get started in this area, I would suggest researching things like prompt engineering or specifically prompt engineering for Google Ads. Now, the second Google Ads prediction I have for 2025 are the rise of enhanced visual shopping ads. With the rise of more visual and interactive ads on platforms like TikTok, it has completely changed the way that consumers engage and buy from ads going forward. And I see Google wanting to get a piece of this action through their shopping ad campaigns. By this, I mean shopping ads are going to become more interactive through dynamic images, videos, and even augmented reality. Through doing this, Google will be able to keep people more engaged and more immersed in the shopping experience, which means they are more likely to buy. And not only will this ad format keep people more engaged, but it will facilitate in the transition from product discovery to purchase. Now, the way that you can prepare for this is very simple. All you need to do is study the TikTokification of ads. And this is very simple to do. All you need to do is study the ads on platforms like TikTok, because this is now becoming the benchmark and the standard for ads on all platforms. This is going to include studying the formats, the trends, the sounds, even the way the vocals are, the way the actors are speaking. This is now becoming the norm, regardless of the platform you're on, because it's the most engaging. So I would highly suggest researching that. Now, the third prediction I have for 2025 is the increase in voice-related searches and this playing a bigger role in our Google Ads strategies going forward this year. Currently, 20% of all searches are done by voice, and this figure is only predicted to go up. What this means for people working with Google Ads is that we need to start rethinking the way we target keywords on this platform, because a voice-related search can be completely different to a text-related search, but can still have the same level of intent and purchase power behind it. Now, the way that we're adapting for this change in user behavior at my agency is that we are now optimizing keywords for natural language queries alongside traditional text-based queries. And what this allows us to do is capture that more unique, high intent range of searches that fall within the 20% of voice searches. And ultimately, this ensures that we are capturing traffic at every single angle on Google, no matter where or how it's being done. Okay, so the fourth prediction I have in 2025 is the rise in shoppable YouTube video ads. Now, this is a really big one, and I predict with the rise in popularity of YouTube short ads, we're going to see an absolute explosion in shoppable video ads going into 2025. Now, for those of you who don't know, shoppable video ads are a type of video content that was popularized by TikTok. And what this allows you to do is purchase products directly from that video content rather than going on the business's website and having to search for that product. So it completely cuts out a lot of the buying process and makes it a lot easier for people and far more engaging. Now, with the rise of social commerce expected to surpass the $1 trillion mark in revenue by 2028, I think this trend or this prediction is a great opportunity for brands to get in early on when it comes to running their Google ads. All right, so there you have it. Those are my top and most exciting predictions for Google ads in 2025. I, for one, am really excited to see what Google brings to the table this year, as they are always trying to level up their game and make things more interesting for media buyers and for business owners. Now, if you are a business owner running Google ads and would like to generate more revenue, feel free to book an audit using the link in the description below. It's completely free, and I will personally order your Google ads account to show you how you can generate more revenue from your campaigns. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.